That's why I think we are in one.
Simulation theory is a interesting sort of adjacent subject here, because as computers begin to accelerate and get more intelligent, and we're able to, do things with AI that we could never have imagined, in terms of imagine the worlds that we could create with virtual reality. Google have released this technology, which allows you, I think with a simple prompt actually, to make a 3-dimensional world that you can then navigate through. And in that world, it has memory. So in the world, if you paint on a wall and turn away, you look back, the wall.
It's persistent.
Yeah, it's persistent. And when I saw that, I go, God, Jesus, bloody hell, this is like the foothills of being able to create a simulation that's indistinguishable from everything I see here.
Right. That's why I think we are in one. AI is getting to the level of creating human agents, human-level agents, and virtual reality is getting to the level of being indistinguishable from ours.
So you think this is a simulation?
I'm pretty sure we are in a simulation, yeah.